How to fix Face ID not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your true depth camera and make sure that nothing is covering the camera. Make sure that no case or screen protector or dirt or moisture is covering the true depth camera. Also, make sure that the camera area at the top of your screen is clean and make sure you are holding the iPhone in portrait orientation during setup and use. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can fix temporary software glitches on your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on Face ID and passcode option you see there. You will then be required to enter your iPhone passcode. So enter that and then go ahead and make sure and verify that Face ID is enabled for iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, Wallet and Apple Pay, as well as password autofill. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then you can tap on the Reset Face ID option you see there and then go ahead and set up your Face ID from beginning. And once you set up your Face ID, see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then go back to settings and then tap on general and then on software update and make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, as Apple often fixes Face ID bugs through software updates. See if that helps, and if not, then improve your recognition, as Face ID may struggle if you are wearing sunglasses that block infrared light, and make sure that your face is not heavily covered with mask or scarves, and make sure that the lighting is extremely bright or is not extremely dark. See if that helps, and if not, then in Face ID and passcode settings again, make sure the toggle button for require attention for Face ID is toggled off, and in order to temporarily see whether recognition improves or not. If not, then go back to settings and then tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone, and then on reset and then on reset network settings. Go ahead and reset your network settings, and this will help you in fixing your issue. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then it simply could be a hardware damage. So if your iPhone was dropped or if the screen was replaced by a non-authorized repair service, or if water has entered your device, then Face ID might not work. So you might need to contact Apple support for further assistance. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Face ID not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.